Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. I have 2 voiceovers to do, and then I have 5 or 6 pictures to take and edit those videos and voiceovers, and then everything has audio. Now it's just getting them all produced. What, Reese? They said the door's not shut, silly. I have the door shut but not latched. She thinks it's latched, I guess. So this camera I cut from a HipKit cut file. I was like, my poor Cameo is feeling neglected. I need to use her more. So for this, I use, in this one, this photo, trying to remember. When Alright. So I'm just taking the stickiness off the stickers I'm going to use. I'm going to use the title, The Sweet Life, so I'm going to use some fruit and ice cream cone. So I'm just going to use some embellishments, or die cuts, I mean. Take this off of there. I'm going to light my incense stick while I'm sitting in my scrapbook room. There we go. Alright. Alright, Patton. Look, now we can see outside. Alright, so I'm just going to fiddle with this for a little while, because this layout I struggled a little bit with on what embellishments to use. But the chipboard stickers are Maggie Holmes, and the die cuts are HipKit Club's This Beautiful Life. Oops, I think I know why when I turn my head it hits my shoulder. So I do apologize. Okay. I see me and Alex's head, and I covered everybody else. This is when we went to see his mom in Miami. Well, and his brothers and sisters too. And we were on the top of this building in Miami when we were out and about walking Miami Beach. And And so the view was just breathtaking. And there's a building, the guy owns the parking garage, and he has a house above his parking garage. It's really, really cool. And the house is like all windows in the view, I guess, so he can sit and get the view. Have a nice view. So I'm going to use some phrase stickers from This Beautiful Life sticker page. The fruits, like, they needed something more, so usually by throwing a phrase sticker on there helps finish it off. So I just want to see what else I can do. Feels like it needs more, so I'm probably going to do enamel dots or splatters. I kind of want to add the lemonade, but this is where I go to my stash of embellishments. This glass container I picked up at Tuesday morning, a while ago. And so I think this is pretty much ending my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.